It's good to see you guys again. If you guys are looking for undervalued stocks to invest in, this tutorial is for you guys. My way is not the perfect way. There's a bunch of ways you can find undervalued stocks, but I'm using Value Line. That's my program that I use to find undervalued stocks. If your portfolio is mainly invested into index fund, that's fantastic because I'm a big promoter of index funds. I believe that finding individual stocks is really difficult to find the big winners and the big gainers. So this video is for the people who they have the majority of their portfolios in index funds and they have a little reserve of cash that they want to invest into undervalued stocks, and you just want a little boost in your portfolio. This video is perfect for you guys. I use Value Line, and this program is the way I find my undervalued stocks. Is not perfect. There's a bunch of ways that you can find undervalued stocks. And to be fully honest with you guys, even though I find undervalued stocks all the time, it doesn't mean that you're gonna be making money. It doesn't mean the market is gonna agree with you. There's a lot of component that goes into it that sometimes the market doesn't agree. The stock doesn't look sexy, or it doesn't attract people. Companies and stocks sometimes is like people. If they're not attractive to the market, they're not gonna, if they're not likable, people are not gonna put their money in. And even though they are super undervalued and they have a great business model and there is an idiot can run it and all that, but Value Line, I love it. It's been used by some of the best investors, Peter Lynch, Warren Buffett. I don't know if they still use it, but I use it and I love it. It's a subscription type of program, but you can get it for free if you have a library card. So check wherever you are from if they have this program where you can use it if you have a library card. So it's literally, you can use it for free and you can find undervalued stocks. It's a win-win everywhere. So I'm just gonna go through the tutorial. Hopefully you guys like it. So this is how Value Line looks like. I mean, it's just like a research kind of program where you can research stocks. It gives you a lot of information of individual stocks. Not really into index funds if you try and look for those. There's other programs you can use, but if you try and look for individual stocks, this is what I use. I use the stock screener. I go to where it says find ideas. Once you get your library card, or if you want to pay for the program, it's not that super expensive, but I don't even know because I don't pay for it. I just use my library card. But I just go, once I sign in, I go to find ideas, and then I go to stock screener, and then it gives you like all these like company data, industry. So if you want to invest into industries, that's great. You can go through there. But the way I do it is it's not really extensive because my portfolio is not about individual stocks. But if I just want to play around, I just want to find ideas, literally, this is the way I do it. I just go where it is the current PE ratio. That's the most important for a lot of investors. That's what I care the most too. I just want to know that if the company's earnings. So that's what I care. So I click the current PE ratio. It's going to give me a bunch of stocks. So you can see the current PE over here and to the right. And then I hit the medium P/E ratio. That's let's say in 10 years of a company running, depending on each individual company, we don't know how long it's been, so we still need to do more research. But this is just a simple way that I just want to look what it's undervalued really quickly, and I just want to get ideas. That's all I'm doing here. So this is the best way that I found that I can find some undervalued stocks. So the medium is where the company is, where the P/E has been in, let's say, in 10 years. So, and then you can see the current one. So my method, and I'm telling you guys, it's not the best way. It's just to find ideas. Is if the medium is like this first one, Alignment Technologies. So the medium is $22, right? And then the current one is $45. If anything that is over the medium P/E, I think is overvalued. So I'm not gonna even look at this Alignment Technology, so because it's already overvalued. So you can see already that. Then you go to the next one. It says the same thing, and then you keep going. So you see this Atlant Air worldwide holdings. So the medium is $11, and then the current one is $5. So through my theory, this is the undervalue stock. So does that mean that you should just throw your money in there? No, that just means that I need to do more research on this company. So I can literally just copy the ticker because I want to make some more research. You can literally use this program. You can use Value Line. I just paste it on top, and then I get the quote. It's taking some time, and then boom. This is where Value Line is really fantastic because it shows you the safety of the stock. It shows you the strength of the financials. It's really good. It's a B, so it makes me very comfortable that maybe this company has something going on, but I don't know what the business is about. So I don't know how this business works, so I need to do more research. So the safety is pretty low. I mean, it's medium, but we saw that the medium PE was about, I think, 11, and then the current one was 5. So I don't know what's going on with this company. This is like an air transport, I think. So this is what the commentary is really important. I love to read them. It just gives me a quick understanding of what the business does, but I still don't just believe what they say here in this commentary. I still go and check the 10K, and I just read the annual statements to see what are they into. Because if I don't understand, even if I understand what the company is about or what their business is about to the commentaries, I still go and check the 10K to see what the hell this company is all about. Because if I don't understand what the business is about, I'm not gonna invest. It could be that this company is going downhill already. That's why the PE, current PE, is so low compared to the medium. Because in the past it was doing so well, but now it's not doing that well. Even though the financial is strong, it has a B. That's pretty solid. The risk is pretty, is in the middle. I still want to know what the hell they're about. I'm not gonna just invest my money just because of those two values. But this is where Value Line is so crazy and so important, because you can see the cash flow per share. So it gives you a lot of information. It gives you an estimate of what was going to be expected for 2021 and 2022. So it's really helpful if you're a new investor, or it just helps you if you're not familiar with investing into individual stocks, because it gives you everything in one page. So it's literally like a table, like a cheat sheet that is giving you, and you can get a really good understanding of what the company is about. You can understand where it's going, where it's been, which is fantastic because it's giving you history and it's giving you estimates of the future. So you don't even have to calculate anything using this, but you still need to go and, let's say you go to the 10K, so we go to Edgar. If you guys want to know how to get all that stuff, the Edgar, just to find the 10Ks and the quarterly reports, I did a whole video, a tutorial about it for you guys, so you guys don't have to, I'm just rushing here, so I'm not gonna go step by step on how to find stuff. Every time that I look at that the medium PE and I check the current PE, I'm looking for that difference. If I see that difference, I get excited. I'll do more research. And then the great part about this Value Line is you can check the industry that this company is in. So if you can go back and you go to Find Ideas, I think this is into the airline. So you go back to Find Ideas, you go to Screener, you go industry, and we choose the industry. I think it was transport, maybe, or airlines. Air transport, boom. So it gives you all the companies that are into the air transport, and then we can go in and check the current P&E again, and then we can check the medium P&E of this industry. If we can see everybody is basically losing money except FedEx. So this company, actually, we just found probably a good company to invest in this tutorial, because this is the first time that I even have found an idea right now. Like, you know, I don't even have an idea that this was gonna happen. Like I didn't even check or anything. So this is kind of making me excited right now because this is the first time I check it and I'm like, holy shit, that this could be actually a really good company. Something is, I mean, the industry is pretty down. If you can see a lot of negative P&E, which means that they're not making money. But this one, Atlantis Air, I'm pretty butchering this name, whatever. But you guys can see it, which I'm glad. Not even JetBlue is doing that well. Like 13. We need to do more research. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna get too excited about it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and always remember to keep it simple. And if you guys like this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe or recommend it to a friend, as I continue to deliver these type of videos for you guys, and I keep it 100 for you guys. And